जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।
Jai Hind everyone, Trishul Defence Academy welcome you all in our official YouTube channel. Dear aspirants, first of all I would like to wish you a very happy new year today, because it's our 1st January and a new year begins from here. So first of all I would like to tell you, today we are going to organize a debate competition with the batches of MNS, CDS एंड NDA। ये MNS, CDS, NDA के बैचेस हैं जहाँ से हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स इकट्ठा हुए हैं आज डिबेट कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं इनकी परफॉर्मेंस आज की कैसी रहती है। एंड द टॉपिक विच हैज़ बीन गिवन टू देम इज, हैज़ सोशल मीडिया बेनिफिटेड और हार्म्ड पीपल्स सोशल लाइव्स? On the basis of their experience and knowledge, we will assist them. Let's move forward to see their performance.
Good morning ma'am, and good morning one and all present over here. I am Monica and we are today here for a debate, and our debate topic is, has social media benefited or harmed people's social lives? So according to my perception, what I think, I am not agree that social media harms people's social life. Just because of that, just because of social media, we get a highly chance to connect with the people who live far away, and it's give us a great chance to enhance our talents and showcase our thoughts and shares our thoughts and talents and all the things with the peoples and around the world.
I partially agree with trolling, and all the things are happening offline also, but through this we cannot judge our social media as a bad impact. So social media is providing a very good thing also, that anybody who have a talent, the person can easily showcase their talent on the social media. We can take the example of Instagram and all these things.
It's mostly affect the children mind. Many wrong content are there, so this is very bad thing for children.
So if you're talking about the children's, the social medias are not for the children. There's a age criteria, and if you're giving your child a phone and he or she using a social media, so it's your fault, not the social media fault, because there's some age criteria and the content criteria also.
This social media app has age criteria.
Every social media has age criteria.
Please say that me. I am also not 18 years, but I have every social media accounts.
That is
not right. There are many
age criteria.
According to the norms of that app, you are
I am using this since 2016.
As you said that the age criteria, if you talk about the age criteria of Gmail account, to make Gmail account, your minimum age should be 18. So it is your fault if you are underage.
Also, if you are using it underage,
you are age criteria for making
Gmail. So there is a rule in Gmail. If you making your Gmail ID, so if you are in under 18, so you have no rights to maintain your Gmail ID.
Don't you think the social media should ensure that the people who are below 18, there should be a norm or anything to make sure that they don't use that?
It's not the responsibility of the social
Exactly,
media.
it's not the responsibility.
It's the responsibility of their parents.
Parents, yes.
and it is the responsibility of the individual that he should not use it
Do you
for
think
that.
that children are responsible enough that they, I mean, we all have been at that age, right? So don't you think that we don't have the sense of responsibility that nahi hame ye nahi banana, and we don't want to be there? There is a curiosity when we are younger, right?
There are many ways to interact with the peoples. There are newspapers, there are televisions, news.
By newspaper you cannot interact with people. But by newspaper you cannot interact.
You are saying that we can show our qualities, and we show our.
Newspaper has to update us, not to help us.
And if we're talking about the today generation,
Social media is not harmful for us.
No. It is the best way to interact. What I am saying, it is the best way to
But
interact.
people are losing their face-to-face interactions.
They are increasing cyber crimes. They are increasing.
But see the positive part of that. People can interact distance. People can easily interact. People who are in distance.
They can call by using social media. They waste more time. They waste more time. While using social media, they waste more time.
They can call and talk. Sorry to interrupt you.
Wasting a time on social media is a particular choice. It is not about that every person based on
that depends on what you are searching on social media.
Sorry to interrupt you. There are, ma'am, as ma'am said that every coin has two sides. But
see the positive side of coin.
See the positive, and if you say that
there is no negative side.
If you say that
they are affecting the people mentally and physically also.
So it's not a fault of social media.
If we talk about the age criteria, many websites have the age criteria. They ask firstly, are you 18 plus or not?
If I am not for 18 plus, but I can touch yes to yes.
And if someone
from the side of kids, they are using that and harming their mental.
And it's not a fault of social media. It's not a fault of app. It's the fault of the parents who give the phone of some underage children.
Started using the Aadhaar card to give the age proof. If you are not thinking, if we public your identity. So
no, ma'am. What about WhatsApp harming our identity?
No. In WhatsApp there is written that the messages are encrypted. So it end-to-end encrypted. So what is the meaning of that?
Sorry to interrupt you, bro. There are increasing cyber crimes. What are your views for it?
And if you're talking about the cyber crimes, so just
money fraud, cyber crimes.
I agree with you, but the thing is, if you're talking about the cyber crime, who does the cyber crime? It's not a fault of app people who misuse the app. That's the fault of the people who misuse them. It's not a fault of social media.
But your personal information leak everywhere.
They are
not offline, only social media.
So what do you think? Cyber crime happen only when you share your information from them.
So if you use
social media, but
if you if you using a social media, then you have that reach that level of age.
How you can share your information to anyone who you don't know?
So if someone shared
who has been threatened to rape, she is not on social media. They have not even shown her face. So how can you say that, like, people who are not even on social media?
It's not a fault of social media. It's a fault of the mentality of the people.
And what about
mentality?
Social media affecting the mentality of the people.
So it's not the fault of app. Why are you only targeting the app? Why not thinking
Because
of the
that's the
person
platform. Because that's the platform where things are happening.
You are talking about
that
mentality is going down.
Exactly.
So you avoid that. You avoid that. Follow.
If we are scrolling, we get a lot of news.
If you follow them, then you get it. If you
Why are
don't
you believing?
Okay.
Why are you believing the news on the that are spreaded in social medias like Instagram? Then you are saying that rumors are spreading.
Listen.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you. That there are increasing politicians. Also news, and there are increasing religious fantasy also in social media. You see it. You also see it. There are Hindu, Muslim facts about any particular party, but this is the misuse of social media.
If you are saying that, listen.
That is for justice. That is for dharna.
They are using as a platform to spread their news. But if you are believing on that, if you are using that particular thing, if you are watching the content of you Hindu, it means you are a Hindu and you support Hindu. And if you are not supporting the Muslim,
that form of religious fantasy. No.
Why are everyone is that is your right. That is your particular choice. What you want to see.
It is helping us to exercise our freedom of speech expression. We can oppose any bill. We can oppose any bill, any act by sitting, and we can.
There are particular party make their fames, make their views in social media.
Now what they are doing wrong. I don't think that they are doing anything wrong. If you have a fan page, or if BJP is making his fan page or anything, so it means they are collecting their votes by the social media. What is the wrong on that?
As you have seen in pandemic, we cannot go outside and protest against any act, anywhere.
Social media, many people get oxygen cylinders, get bed just because
we can make
if you are supporting with
information about that.
But
we should avoid the.
It depends who are you following.
It is your responsibility
if you follow
to cross check that.
Okay, it's my responsibility. I am in pain. I need an oxygen. I go and check. Oh my God, it's a right side.
Okay, then why are you believing on the social media if you have any personal issues on that?
We are not contradicting our points.
It's totally up to you how you react. Taking everything apart.
I need an oxygen cylinder.
Taking everything apart. What if I have some profile picture on my Facebook? Somebody have screenshotted and put it.
It's private account. It's private.
Brother, you are living in 2018.
Let him come. Yeah. We are listening.
Please listen.
What if somebody screenshotted that photo, put it in various vulgar contents? Who will be blamed?
Okay, it's private. I would like to interrupt you. Your point is wrong.
It's okay.
Brother, verification. You guys are supporting it.
That is the privacy.
Okay. I would like to interrupt you, brother.
There are many
two-step verification.
About the fraud and cybercrime and all.
Okay. Brother, as you said that. Listen what I am saying. As you said that anybody can take.
Give me a minute. Let me answer first. Positive impacts. If you are following the impacts which are not good, why to see the positive impacts? We know everything has two faces. So we are supporting the bad.
Okay, you are supporting the.
So we are supporting the
You are supporting the bad, but okay, gentlemen, your point is a little bit wrong. Okay, as you said that. One minute. Just give me a chance. That as you said that anybody can take the screenshot of profile picture on the Facebook. It is not possible now.
It's possible. Not possible. You can check it. It's God.
I would like to interrupt you. Listen. Gentlemen, you have a very little knowledge about that. It can only possible till 2018. Now in the private account, when you try to. Now you can try to take the. Now you can try to take the screenshot.
You are saying that there is no misuses of social media.
Let me explain.
Listen.
There are misuses of social media,
but there is a solution. Let me complete. Let us complete.
Let me complete.
Okay. As you said.
Let me complete my point.
As you said.
Let him clarify.
But that depends on individual how he use it, how he or she. That is not the problem of social media. That is the problem of individual.
Okay. As you said that.
In
social media.
My friend, please sit down. Have a seat.
As you said that misuse of social media. Okay. Speak.
Yeah. Speak.
Let her speak.
Yeah.
I'm saying that
you are using it in a good way. Okay.
Yeah.
What about the people who are using it in a bad way?
Okay, I have the answer of that. Let me answer that. I have the answer. Okay. Wait. I have the answer of that question. That what she said.
So if they are using that social media in a bad way,
there is a laws of crime laws that can also controlled by the social laws.
Making protocols is very.
Speak, gentlemen, speak.
Please say the protocols.
1 second. Time is very important thing in our life.
Yeah.
Okay. This is wastage of time or not?
No.
I'm definitely saying that you are.
It is totally depend on you. Let me explain. It's our point.
Who wants to answer? Because you guys just all want
Let
to answer.
me
Gentlemen, you are.
Let me.
If you have spoken your question.
You have spoken your.
Good listener.
Yes, nobody wants to listen.
भाई तुम बोल दिया बोलने दो.
One or two.
This gentleman is
I
trying
also
to.
think only one.
Let him speak.
As you said.
भाई बोलने दो यार. बोलो भाई.
Listen, time is important. Okay.
Yeah. बोलो भाई.
Time is important.
Yes, very important.
We can get, as you say, we can get news, we can get social media, we can get any positive things.
Yes.
By newspaper, by other thing in short time.
Okay.
So we can use it also now.
Okay. Are you saying?
Let him explain, brother.
Okay. Let him explain. Let him explain.
Yes.
Explain.
We're talking about the time limitation. Yeah, I agree with you. Time is everything, and time is the most important thing in our life. If you're talking about, we are talking about the social media. So in every app, there's a timer. So if you want to save your time and you also want to use the social media, so you set the alarm.
Okay,
but
there is also option remind me after.
So it's your mentality. It's your mentality.
Social media is not my timer.
If you're owning that,
You don't control on yourself. You don't have control on yourself.
Brother, I would like to interrupt you.
But what I see in my society, there's a lot of students who are not financially good and they're not able to afford such very high institute where they go and take knowledge. So they change the help.
Let her speak.
Very good in their life.
I would like to add one more point on that. That a person who is sitting in Allahabad can learn the things from the teacher of Kota. So he is getting the proper education from them.
They are on apps.
Also comes in the social If someone is skipping their classes and going to Facebook and Instagram, so it's the proper of that person will not
but there is no social media.
Let's conclude. You are talking about those students who skip the coaching classes. They can also skip classes.
Please listen me carefully. Only 1 minute. In last. Yes, I got example.
Not saying that the social media because we have a valid point. And the people who are sitting in the I've never used
Only conclusion.
Time is up.
Only conclusion I want to say. Conclusion is.
You heard that offline examinations are getting leaked, but online examinations are never getting leaked.
Because we have support of Google.
CTET.
We have support of Google.
In one month.
No, just give me one answer. Please let me complete. Do please give me 1 minute. Let me please give me one very clear answer. Who leaked the paper? Social media leaked the paper. Who the people who sitting behind the camera?
Social media paper होता है ना.
Social media who managed that thing? Who managed that thing?
I can answer any question if you give me time.
I'll give you time. That was the point from your side.
Ask them to shut up.
Person mentality depends upon what we violate or you use in a good way of social media. But like they are saying, if we are misusing that, it is opening Facebook in classes or that. But how social media work? It only like if a social media paper leak or you said it always start from person or everything done by every individual, any individual in the world. So I think social media doesn't work on itself only alone. Not AI is working. It only start when a person started. Yes. So that's why it's a
that's the problem. That's the problem.
Social media is used by a person. It is not.
Let him clear his point. Let him clear his point.
It also made a wars also. Yeah. It's all humans who maintain peace and also wars. So it's same on the also on social media. Person start or do crimes or do a good thing.
Yeah,
you cannot blame all the persons against social media.
You cannot blame the all social media platforms.
And the point that they are saying that depends on the power to do that things also.
No. So social media has also a two part good or bad. So what the conclusion is that the choice is of any particular who is focusing on the good part or bad part. So if you want to use social media as a good way, you can use. If you want to use social media in a bad way, you can use it.
And I would like to add something as my friend says. So according to me, yes, we understand what is right and what is wrong for us. So if you're using a social media in a good way, so it's came for you in a very good manner, but if you're using social media in a bad way, definitely it's harm you one day, whether it's today or tomorrow, it doesn't matter. But use social media in a good way, because we are at a time where technology has become a part of our life and social media becomes a very important part of life. So it's our responsibility to promote the social medias and use social media in a good manners.
But I think as a person, as an individual, we should take responsibility from our side as well, and social media should ensure that the harmful effects should reduce. So I think that's how we conclude the topic. Anything you want to add, sir?
I think I am agree with you that everything has two faces. Whether we use the good, if you see the pros, we can't see the cons, and if you see the cons, we can't see the pros. But according to me, social media have bad effects more than the good effects.
कोई यहाँ हार और जीत की बात ही नहीं है. Participation matters a lot. ठीक है, सबका participation था. This way only we have celebrated New Year today.
It was really good.
Right, as people have different way of celebration, this is our way to celebrate New Year. So that some knowledge and ideas should be shared by each other. Right? So sir is going to reward you all on the basis of your communication skill and body language. How was your knowledge? 3 things have been counted: communication skill, knowledge and body language.
चलो भाई, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. देखो, द एम ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दीज डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन्स या ग्रुप डिस्कशंस भी आगे होंगे या कोई स्पोर्ट्स होंगे, इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि एक टीम वर्क वाला जो एटीट्यूड है ना, वो शो हो. बिकॉज लाइफ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड दीज डेज मैं, मेरी पढ़ाई, मेरा खाना, मेरा सोना, है ना. इट इज़ एवरीथिंग इज़ नाउ मैं. और जब आप नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाओगे, जब आप इंटरव्यूज़, अपनी एसएसबी इंटरव्यूज़ देखोगे, तो आप देखोगे वहाँ पे एक एसेसर बैठा है जो सिर्फ इस बात पे आपको पॉइंट्स दे रहा है कि आप मैं वैरायटी नहीं हो, है ना. बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इन आर्म्ड फोर्सेज इज फैमिली. ठीक है, मैन इन यूनिफॉर्म, बात खत्म. नेशन कम्स फर्स्ट, देन कम्स मैन इन यूनिफॉर्म, एंड देन कम्स हमारे अपने भाई बहन, रिश्तेदार, दोस्त, यार. तो ये जो हैबिट है, ये एक दिन में नहीं सुधरेगी, क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया ही ऐसी हो गई अब. ठीक भाई, अब टीचर भी आ रहा है तो वो अपने स्लॉट पे आता है. टीचर पहले नहीं आ रहा, टीचर कह रहा भाई मेरा टाइम ये क्यों वेस्ट हो. सो इन अकॉर्डेंस विद दिस, एकता मैम हैड प्लान्ड दिस, एंड अब टीम वर्क वाले स्पोर्ट्स भी आएंगे. जैसे टग ऑफ वॉर है, मैंने पहले ही बता दिया कि टग ऑफ वॉर आने वाला है इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी ओनली. तो वी ऑल शुड लर्न द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ टीम वर्क. Based on your performances, ma'am has given you marks and we'll be ranking you people. ठीक है. So out of the whole lot, first rank is awarded to Monica, Miss Monica. आइए, मुबारक हो जी, मुबारक हो. खींचिए इनकी फोटो सही से. चलो,
बॉडी लैंग्वेज, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल,
इनके मैम आप भी प्लीज.
एवरीथिंग, राइट.
देखो इनके रिव्यूज क्या है. रिव्यूज है फुल एटिकेट्स, सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, गुड बॉडी लैंग्वेज, हेल्दी डिस्कशंस. सो द फर्स्ट प्राइज गोज टू यू, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. एंड हर बार की तरह यहाँ पे CDSE सबसे ऊपर रहता है. पिछले 10 सालों से तो मैं देख ही रहा हूँ. सेकेंड प्राइज गोज टू शिवांगी तिवारी, अगेन फ्रॉम CDS बैच. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस मैम से. फोटो खींच लीजिएगा फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड की बाद में. थर्ड प्राइज इज शेयर्ड बाय 2, सूरज सिंह, शौर्य 3, कहाँ हैं, खड़े हो, एंड उत्कर्ष तिवारी, शौर्य 4. सूरज आप इधर आइए, उत्कर्ष आप इधर आइए. बट द प्राइज इज गोइंग टू बी डेडिकेटेड टू सूरज ओनली. उत्कर्ष का बाद में दूंगा मैं. ठीक है, बाद में मतलब इट वुड बी टुमारो, उससे ज्यादा बाद में नहीं, वरना रात गई बात गई. चलो भाई, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। क्या हो गया हाथ में? अच्छा, अगेन गुड एटिकेट्स लिखा है, हेल्दी डिस्कशंस आप दोनों में, शाबाश। शिवांगी, द कमेंट्स आर कॉमनली गुड इन ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स, गुड। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल द विनर्स। अच्छा, तो तभी तो फर्स्ट है, तभी तो उसका गिफ्ट थोड़ा बड़ा और थोड़ा भारी है। ठीक है, अब आफ्टर 15 days वी विल कम अप विद सम टीम वर्क वाला इवेंट। ठीक है, ऐसे ही करेंगे, प्रोबेबली टग ऑफ वॉर या जो भी मैम ही करती हैं। मैम इज द वन हु प्लान्स ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज। सो हाँ, सो चीयर्स टू हर एज वेल, है ना? थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू।
जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।